Okay, so my name is Carlos Hernandez. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer at SSIMWAVE. And what we do is that we put viewer intelligence to help deliver better video. And as the Television Academy have said, we represent a generational breakthrough in the video industry. And what it means with that is because we changed the way we measure quality on video. Because traditionally, it has been measured based on network conditions. We basically represent how you watch the video. So we really can bring a significant difference to the industry. Now, think about a film that you watched, that you remember. Something like The Matrix, Neo picking between the red and the blue pills, or Darth Vader telling Luke Skywalker that he is his father, something that really bring emotions to you. Now, or think about a game, a sports game, where you would like to really you're getting all the emotions on the game. You are like in this case watching a last minute of the game, your team's scoring. I think for all Ontarians here, you will remember the NBA Finals last year and all those fantastic plays we had. And imagine that we're in the midst of all those emotions, you get this. And you get a bad experience. And here everybody loses. Like the viewer who has a poor experience, the video distributor that would have churn, would have customer satisfaction issues, would have to pretty much look for where the problem happened. Obviously, the content creator, if it's film, the content producer, if someone is on sports productions, how they really want you to have the experience and is failing on doing that, and everyone that is related to advertising on it. So we really can bring how you're watching the video, and when there are any issues, we can solve it. So you really want to get to this and have the best possible experience so it is memorable and you can really bring those emotions to the viewer. And that is the transformation. We look at the pixels and the frames on the video, and that is what is changing the game, because we model the human visual system on software, and from the biology point of view, we can measure how your eye watches the video, what you see, and how your brain processes it. That includes where you focus your attention or how you remember issues with the video. And all this complexity is basically translated into a score that is simple, is linear, and is correlated, so you can measure across every content type, every device, every bit rate, frame rate, interlaced to progressive, and basically give you a very simple way to understand how the quality of your video is being delivered to users. And it's the most accurate measurement in the industry. It basically reflects what 100,000 human viewers would see about the quality. And this really has a big impact in how we can detect issues that until now had not been able to be detected. So we find the hardest problems like macro blocking, banding, video freeze, audio video sync, and latency issues. And we detect all of those. So for instance, you have a source that is bad. If you have a bad source, there's nothing you can do. It's going to be a bad outcome, and the customers are going to be frustrated. How about if before you have to start processing that, deliver it to the customer, get complaints, try to figure out what happened, you would know from the get-go that the source is bad. You could either reject it and send it back if it's a file. If it's live, you can notify the content producer so they can fix it at the end, or you would have another source if that's available. Now, if you get a good source, which is the example at the bottom, you produce it, you process it, it has a good quality at 79, and then for some reason on delivery it gets bad quality. So it's the CDN, whatever other condition it is, you can manage it, you can identify it, you can prevent it. Now, the interesting thing is that since it's based on pixels and frames, including some network conditions, we can measure that quality in a linear and correlated way. So from the content is created to the content is delivered. And anyone that is on the video distribution industry, if they have different paths, like the direct-to-consumer path on the top and the distribution path on the bottom. So for example, you create your content, you deliver it directly in your OTT, but you distribute it through TV channels, for example, for like an MVPD. then you can compare the quality of those two pieces of content, and you can know exactly where issues may happen, how to prevent them, and if your quality is comparable in one to the other. Or for example, if you have a linear channel and you have IPTV and you have OTT and you distribute the same content, how do you know the quality, how the quality of those compare? So we can solve that problem and we can help you get to the quality that you want. Also, what quality you get, what quality you deliver. Do you know if you want to deliver a 91 or an 81 or a 68? Do you know what's enough for your viewers? We do know, and we can help you figuring out what that level is, tune it so you can basically configure your workflow to deliver the quality you want, to maximize revenue and to maximize customer satisfaction. And that's a very key point here as well. That is, when you identify that level that you want, anything that you are delivering with a higher level of bit rate, for instance, what you're doing is you're putting resources where you're not, or where they are not being valued by your viewers. And when you deliver video that is lower quality than what you want, you are risking customer satisfaction, customer calls, churn, and loyalty issues. So by combining the ability to understand the quality of the video, translate that into actions that can help you make it better while reducing the cost, all those issues can be resolved. Traditionally, when content creators want better video to be delivered, the content distributors have the challenge that they have to invest more money to make it happen. That zero-sum game is eliminated with our solution because we, basing all those decisions on the viewer experience, we can help it tune and we can deliver that better video at a lower cost. So that is what it makes us different, and that is what is making SSIMWAVE, making the video industry better. So if you want to know more and you want to know what quality video do you deliver, how you can make it better, and how we can make it cheaper and distribution costs, we can help you. Please contact us and let us know. We'll be happy to help.